Hello, this is Jeremiah James. I have a tutorial here for you on Come Out and Play by Billie Eilish. We're in standard tuning. There's no capo. Before I get started here, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. These take a lot of work on my end. I love doing them, but I need more stimulus if I'm going to continue doing as many as I have been. So do me a huge favor, and if this helps you, subscribe. We've got a C chord and an F open chord. Those are played in the verse. The hard part is the finger picking and the pull off. So I'm going to pop the tabs up here, walk you through what I'm doing with the finger picking. Alright, so we're going to start off on our C chord. We're going to pluck with our thumb the A string and the D string, and we're going to use our index to pluck the G and the B. Just like that. And then we're going to pluck the B again, and we're going to do a pull off. So that goes like this. And then we pluck G, D, G. Whoops, but you want to leave your middle finger on here. So you do that twice with your C. Then we're going to go to this F open chord, which is similar. You just move that middle finger down and squeeze your pinky under your ring finger. And we're going to do the same thing. A, D, G, B. But now you want to play an open G string and your middle finger on the second fret of the D. So you don't want to leave your F chord position on there. You just want to go back to that C or an E minor, you could think of it as. So on the F it goes. Same thing as it was for the C. So stringing both these together, this is what the C sounds like. As compared to the F. And that's played throughout the verse. So you do your C for 2 and you do your F for 2 bars. It's also played in part of the chorus, but the chorus itself goes like this. And then it rotates back. You're still in the chorus, but you're going to now play what you played in the verse. So that first part of the chorus is just a D minor, and I'm going to pop the tab up here and walk you through, but it goes D minor to a G to a C to an E, F, back to our D minor, to a G7. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the tab up here. We're starting on our D minor. We're going D string, G string, D string, high E string. Then you can just walk down the string, so B, G, D. So do that twice. Switch to a G chord. Almost the same plucking pattern, but you pluck your low E string with your thumb and move that to the D string. Then pluck your G string with your index finger, back to the thumb with your D string. Ring finger gets that high E, and then walk down the strings again. So almost the same as what was played on this D minor, but now you have this root note for the G. Go to a C chord, walk the C chord, E chord, walk the E chord, F chord, walk the F chord. Do that twice on the F, back to your D minor, G G7, and then you're back into your verse. And that's all there is to it. So now you know how to play Come Out and Play by Billie Eilish. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, do me a huge favor and subscribe. Check out my covers. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more original music. I'm writing some songs right now. I think you guys are going to enjoy them. Look at my blog, New Music Friday, the Sunday Review, and follow me on Instagram at Jeremiah James Music. Thank you for watching.